The crane, a tall and elegant bird, is a captivating creature that graces the skies around the world. With its long, slender legs and long neck, it's hard not to be mesmerized by its graceful flight. These birds belong to the Gruidae family, with two main types, the sandhill crane and the whooping crane. The sandhill crane is the most common, while the whooping crane is one of the world's rarest and tallest birds. Cranes are known for their distinctive call, a loud, trumpeting sound that can be heard for miles. They use this call to communicate with each other, especially during mating season. The crane's long legs serve a vital purpose. They help the bird wade through shallow waters in search of food, such as aquatic plants, insects, and small animals. Their long necks allow them to reach food that other birds can't, making them efficient foragers. Cranes are also renowned for their impressive flying skills. They can fly at speeds up to 50 miles per hour and have a wingspan that can reach over 7 feet. They are known for their V-shaped flight formation, which allows them to conserve energy during long migrations. Migration is a critical part of a crane's life. Some cranes travel up to 5,000 miles each way, flying from their breeding grounds in the northern parts of North America and Eurasia to their wintering grounds in the southern United States and Mexico. Cranes are also known for their long lifespan. In the wild, they can live up to 20 years, while in captivity, they can live up to 30 years or more. This longevity is thanks to their strong and sturdy bodies, as well as their careful foraging habits. Unfortunately, many crane species are endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and collisions with power lines. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these magnificent birds and help their populations recover. In addition to their beauty and grace, cranes play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help control pest populations and aid in the pollination of plants. They are also a symbol of good luck and prosperity in many cultures around the world. So, the next time you see a crane soaring through the sky, take a moment to appreciate this incredible creature. Its long legs, graceful flight, and distinctive call are just a few reasons why the crane is truly a wonder of nature.